This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA. The GSZ4 is a basic unit that features core sense diagnostics, which will proactively shut the system down should it detect conditions that could damage the compressor. The unit has a factory-installed filter dryer which protects the refrigerant system from moisture. They have a compressor sound blanket for noise control and are backed by a pretty good guarantee, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, and so it is not recommended by HvacRepairGuy. The ASZC18 is a premium unit with a 2-stage compressor and a 2-speed condenser fan for efficient operation. They have a high-density sound blanket for quiet operation, as well as the ability to communicate with other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. They are backed by a very good warranty, including lifetime unit replacement in case of compressor failure, while the GSZC16 models are less expensive, but they only have a 10-year replacement guarantee. The AVZC20 is an ultimate heat pump with a 21 SEER cooling efficiency and a 10 HSPF heating efficiency rating. They have a variable speed condenser fan motor for added energy savings and quiet operation. They are backed by a very good warranty that includes lifetime unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The GVZC20 models are identical to the AVZC20 but less expensive, as they only have a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.